Hi, my name is B. Manan Kumar Reddy. My register number is UR15CS256. Today I am going to explain about the C++ lab program. That is, my program is statement is templates and exceptions. In that, my first program is stack is a data storage device which uses a last in first out approach. Last item stored in the first one retrieved. Create a class name called stack to store an array of integer values. Besides a constructor, it should have the two functions. One called push and another one push for the putting the data into an item, and another one called pop to get the data out of the stack, and exceptions to the stack. Throw throw two exceptions: one if the capacity of the stack is exceeded, the other if the program tries to remove an item from the empty stack. Now we are going to see the program. In program, first of all, I am including the header file, that is as include IOStream, and using the namespace as standard header file, and here I am declaring the variables, that is int a of 20, that is the size of the a, and top equals to minus 1, creating a class called stack 1. I am created a class that called stack 1, and using the public, that is the access specifier, and pop function. I am declaring the pop function void pop int k, and if top is equals to k, it is equals to the top, and if top is equals to k, then throw the stack is full, and then else top is incremented by 1, and share statement is used to print the statement that enter a number, and scene statement is used a of top in inserting an element into an array at the index top, and throwing the element entered in the stack, and then push function has been declared void push int k, creating a function called push, and if top is equals to minus 1, throw the stack is empty, or else save statement is used for printing the statement element popped is here, else an element is here popped, and top is used for here top is decremented by 1, and throwing an element that for popped, and void here void display function is declared, and creating a function called display, and if top is equals to minus 1, then throw stack is empty, else print the state for printing the statement, else print the elements inside the stack is stack, or and iteration, that is for loop I int I is equals to 0, I less than top, and I is incremented, and here statement a of 5 for printing the I values, and throw that the elements are displayed, and after that we are moving to the main function. In main function, I am declaring the variables int n is equals to 1, comma k, and the stack a. This is calling the function from the class, and share statement entering the size of the stack. This is for printing this enter the size of the stack, and accepting input from the user. We are in seeing k, and k is decremented while using the while if n greater than 0, and addressing n less than 4, and share statement is here for push, pop, display, and exit, and switch case is used using switch statement. Case 1 calling pop function using try and catch block, catch constant char pointer message, and for first case we are using the catch, and for pop, and here push case to try and push, and for displaying the message totally for push we are using this case 2, and for case 3 we are for displaying, and here default n is equals to 4. Now we are going to display. First of all I am pushing it, and one more stack is full. Now we are going to pop out, here popped up display. Now we are going to see another program. Here creating a function called max that returns the value of the largest element in an array. The arguments to be the function should be address of the array and its size, making the function that appeals this function to the arrays of the various types. Here we are including the header file, that is as include iostream, and using the namespace as standard header file, and definition of the function template of a max, uh, and creating a class t and t of max and t of array size 1 and int max size of array, and creating a here template t of max is equals to array of addressing of the array 1, and here using the iteration for loop int I is equals to 0, I less than max size of the array, and I is incremented. If array of 1, that the elements present in the array the at index position is greater than the max, that max is equals to array of I. The element present in the array at index position goes to the max v and returning the max v. And here in the main function, first of all I am declaring the variables, giving the input to the array int a4, that is for total elements 10, 12 and 84, and double using the doubles, um, total the values of float values, and using the long for the minus values and the float values, and shared statement for printing the total a and b and c, returning the 0. Here total output. Thank you.